Working hard, 9 to 5, 2 jobs to survive. She's my supermodel.
What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an honest review and full details on this Amazon sunglasses organizer. Here is the organizer here. In case you don't know, I'm in the process of reorganizing, decluttering, and making over my closet. Check out my previous video where I showed you some tips and tricks on how to fold and hang your clothing in your closet. Different types of clothing, the best ways to hang and fold them to kind of protect your clothing. So I'll link it in the cards above so you can check that out. And my full closet makeover tour will be coming soon. But in this video, I really wanted to share with you this sunglasses organizer that I'm using to help with the makeover. You know, my honest opinion and feedback. So let's get into the video. Okay, so what I ordered is the MineSign sunglasses organizer from Amazon. We all love Amazon, but the thing about some Amazon products that are cheap and easy to come is they don't always come with instructions. So when I realized that this sunglasses organizer did not come with a dime of instructions, I was like, let me record this as I'm going through my closet makeover so that anyone who's interested can know visually how to put this together. It may seem easy because it's not a whole lot of pieces, but at the same time, when I first opened the package, I was given, where do I start? What do I do? So first you start with these pieces here. You get 2 of these. They're going to be the sides of the organizer. It comes with screws, and it also comes with this little tool here that I showed you. Those are the screws that I just put down. I had to pull up a picture of it. This is what it is. I'll link it in the description, but I had to pull up a picture to really see visually how to do it. So these are the 2 sides. There are 5 rows that come with this. So what you have to do is you have to take each side and you have to screw each like row on. So the sides came, they were pretty dusty. You can see when I put it up to the camera, they're not the best quality. So, I mean, they're okay for what it was. This product was only, for the 5-layer one, $18 on Amazon. So it wasn't too expensive, but noticed a little bit of like nicks on the organizer, but you get what you pay for, right? So you're going to start with taking one side, one of the biggest pieces that I showed you, and you're going to put the screws going into the outside of it, connecting the bottom. I started with the bottommost. I guess you can start with the topmost layer. I started with the bottommost layer, or rack, if you will. I felt like that would be easier. So these are the holes that is going to go into the side piece. So I started off doing this, which was incorrect. Do not do that. You actually have to put the screws into the side piece first and then put it through the piece I just showed you. So you'll see in a second. That's why I moved my finger like, no. And that's another reason why I created this video, because I'm like, I started to mess up, but I caught myself, and I don't want you guys to mess up if you decide to buy this product. It is a great tool for or organization tool for your closet, so that's why I got it. I found that this is how you're supposed to do it. This is the correct way, guys. Do not do what I did at first. Then the inside right here is where you're going to put I think you call it a bolt or nut. I don't know. You guys, don't judge me. I don't judge you. That's how we do on my channel. I don't always know the names of the pieces, but that piece I just showed you just now, that's what goes into the inside to connect the side and the like rack piece together. Just like this. Like that right there. So you're going to do that. It's 2 screws per side per row. So technically for the full row, it's going to be 4 of these screws that's going in each row. 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. And so you use the little tool that comes with it, which is great. So you don't have to find a screwdriver that fits these little things because they're pretty small. You screw them in tight. Now, I will say these little screws, they're so small, and thankfully I have like tiny fingers, but for someone who may have like more chunkier fingers, it's hard to hold on to these things. So you may want to put this together on like a table. I almost lost one of the screws before in the closet because it slipped right out of my hand. But just make sure, follow these instructions here, and then just make sure each side is tight. That's what the little screw thing is for. So then you have your first layer on like this. Okay, that's your first rack that you can store things on. And then you're gonna, I sped this clip up here, you're gonna just repeat the process and add the other 4 rows onto it. I'm all about like making sure that things have a place and have a home. I did see on the Amazon picture that you can, do a combination of sunglasses and maybe nail polish, or you can really use this to organize anything that you want, even maybe a jewelry organizer. I don't necessarily need a jewelry organizer because I'll show you guys in my closet makeover tour that I actually have built-in jewelry organizer inside my closet, which I'll show you. So stay tuned to that probably in a few days. I'm finished cleaning out the closet a little sooner than I expected. So right here, I'm just going ahead and adding on the other 4 sides. This process overall, I would say, took me about maybe 20 minutes between figuring out how the hell to do this, taking the plastic, everything comes individually wrapped in plastic, and just screwing it on, and then having some time to find the screws that fell out of my hand. Things like that. Things that you can avoid. Just take your time, have a table, follow these instructions so you can know clearly how to set it up and you don't make any mistakes. And obviously, when you're screwing anything together, putting any piece of furniture or equipment together, you never want to screw the screws in too tight until you know it's right. So if you make a mistake, you can always take it out without stripping the screws. So thankfully, I didn't get too far into making a mistake, but this is how it looks. It's coming together nicely. All of the screws are in tight. All 5 rows are in. And it actually came with some extra screws. So at the end, I realized there were some screws left over, which is good because, like I said, you can lose these very easily because they can slip out of your hand very easily. So this is the rack. It fits about 10 pair of standard size sunglasses, 2 on each row. They're 5 rows. And I think it's a pretty cute, nice visual aspect to the closet, and really to be able to see all of my sunglasses in one place. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Definitely turn on your post notification bell because I will be posting my full closet makeover, showing you how it looked in the beginning, how it looks now, and kind of just giving you guys a tour. So thank you to everyone. I look forward to all of the comments. I've been enjoying communicating with you guys, and I will see you in the next video.